This video will guide you through the steps necessary to ensure a perfect fit for your new Vikingbag Axe saddlebags. Follow these steps to properly secure your bags, and you'll be ready to ride. Your Axe Saddlebags kit includes the Viking Axe Saddlebags, 4 looping straps with clips, 2 saddlebag rain covers. Drape the saddlebags over the bike with the connecting straps positioned on top of the passenger seat or the tail of the motorcycle. Adjust the straps until the bags are in the desired position. Ensure that there is at least 1.5 inches of clearance between the bags and the exhaust pipes. Find a secure point on each side of the bike to loop a small strap around to create your front mounting points. Attach the buckles on the rear straps to the rear buckles on the saddlebag. Tighten the straps, ensuring that the tension is holding the bag securely in place. Depending on your bike, you may not have a secure place to attach the rear straps on each side. In this case, loop the 2 straps together and run the strap around and under the tail of the bike, attaching the rear of the bags together. Your new Viking Axe saddlebags are now mounted and you're ready to ride.